Kuringana na uthuthuria uria utafanitio ni kanju ya uingi wa andu guku bururi-ini hamwe na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri gatagati ka atumia aritu 100,000 atumia 362 nio makuaga mari thabari-ini ya kuheo ciana o mwaka na gatagati ga ciana 1,000 iria iciaragwo o mwaka ciana 23 nicio iciaragwo ikuite. Gwikirira tabarira cia waki wa wandi cia uthinjani ruhonge-ini rwa maternity mathibitari-ini matiganite kaunti-ini iyo niguo kunina kaimana ikuu iria ciumanaga na atumia makiheo ciana. Agitogeria mubango uyu wa kuguna atumia aritu, minister wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua Daktari John Mugai niugite wongerereku wa wandi ici kana theater ni kuhuthia thabari ya gwetha urigitani kundu kungi undu umwe na kuhonokia atumia aria mangibatara urigitani wa hinahi.
We have increased the number of dispensaries and health centers by 18 and upgrading another 24 to make sure that the mother does not walk more than 5 kilometers.
Hamwe na uguo Mugai ni ugite kaunti iyo ni rikitie gwaka wandi cia theater mathibitari-ini ma JM Kariuki, thibitari wa Engineer, Manuga, Mirangine na Daragwa na imwe ciacio igitanywo kwambiriria mihango ya uthinjani ica ikuhi.
We have built theaters coupled with posting of doctors, medical officers and gynecologists to those theaters. We will make sure that our mother who have complications when delivering do not die.
Akiaria ihinda-ini riu na thiori urugamirire thibitari wa Daragwa ni ugite mihango ya waki wa theater 2 cikirie gutirihwo, akiuga mubango uyu ni kunyihia namba ya atumia aritu aria mabataraga kuheo ciana na njira ya guthinjwo, kuria makiria ma atumia 30 nio matumagwo mathibitari-ini maria mari kaunti-ini ya Laikipia o mweri.
For the last year we had 75 referrals. So when the theater becomes operational, the community will benefit much because we will not be going for those referrals.
Thibitari-ini wa Bambu mwena wa Kibeberi, afitha munene thibitari-ini uyu wa Jikwa wa Shira ni ugite onao ni maratumaga atumia aritu kwamukira motungata ma urigitani mathibitari-ini ma Naivasha, Tigoni hamwe na Engineer. Riu akiuga atumia aya matirite akaga mathaa barabara-ini kuona ni mahuthirio thabari.
This theater, it will really minimize that and it will really equip us with good service delivery to our mothers and all maternity cases.
Aikari a kaunti no ni makenereire tabarira ici, thirikari ya kaunti iyo ikiuga ni uigiririki wayo utigirira thibitari ciothe cina wandi ya theater ruhonge-ini rwa maternity.
Tunafurahi kusikia Bwana Kimemi anatuletea hii nini theater hapa.
Sisi wa mama tutakuwa na faida kuu sababu hatuna pesa. Wengi wanakufa wakiwa jiani kupelekwa Nyahururu.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.